okay? Let's just do 4 of these because I'm going to go right into my magic idea for Entrechat Quatre that nobody ever talks about. I think we're going to see a big dramatic change when I give you this idea, but I want to show the before and after. Here we go. It's a long intro. Plie 5, 6. Here we go. Yes. Stretch and plie. Up. Good. Stretch. Good. And again. Up. Rest. Excellent. Good. Okay. Now let's add in one idea, which is I found to be maybe it's not going to work for you. I don't know. We'll see. Everyone thinks of this leg. I want you to, in your mind, add this up. Think of the other leg. I want you to think of taking the back leg forward. Think with the back leg, not the front leg. I promise you the front leg is going to do its job, but when we add in the concentration on the back leg coming forward, all of a sudden the beat gets more powerful. Let's just see what happens. Go ahead and try one without music. Yes. Good. And beat a little more up here, and don't be nice about it. Bum, bum, you can do it. Yes. Good. Very good. Already they look like 80% more powerful. Yeah, it's a more powerful approach when we start thinking back leg. And for you, you don't have to open a lot, just boom, 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 boom. We want to beat the upper thighs, but really try, and this is the hard part of Quatre, you want to when you open the legs, you want them to scissor. So from here, you want to go slice, 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 slice. Slices. One time. Good. Yes, I'll buy that for today. Take the left leg forward. Try it on the other side. Good. Right leg forward. Boom, boom. Yes. Good. Let's try with music. All right. Sorry. We're going to do 8 of these. Here we go. Yes. Plie. Good. That looked great. Yes. Stretch the toes to the floor. That's better. Yes. Stretch the legs and toes to the floor. Good. And again. Yes. Good. Good. Rest. Last one was great. Very good. That's our class. That's enough for today. That was, I think, about an hour. Yeah, about an hour. Yeah. Do you, so you've taken ballet before, right? You're not a beginner. So taken ballet since you were a little girl. Do you have recommendations or suggestions for an adult who's beginning ballet? Would you give any advice from your experience as a young woman and as a dancer?
Yes. 1, practice, because it'll make a difference. 2, sorry, I'm a little out of breath. 2, don't get too caught up with what you're seeing, in the mirror, because it can be hard when you're getting into something new or something that you haven't done in a long time. So don't get too caught up with, the little details of I'm wearing this and I'm feeling like this. Don't. Just keep going at it and kind of block that out of your mind.
That is excellent advice. I say something very similar, but kind of in a different way. And I say this in Align 1 when I have students taking Align 1. I remind students that as you're learning this very difficult skill, because we think that this should be able to happen by magic somehow. You watch the ballerina and you go, oh, well, that should be easy. And then you start doing it. You're like, how come I'm struggling so much with this? And it suddenly dawns on you that this is a very complicated, challenging art form. And we can become very self-critical. So I tell everyone they need to turn off their critic while they're working. Just don't listen to that negativity in your head. I didn't have very much physical talent or ability when I started. I just kept going to class. I like the process. So if you enjoy the process of what we did here, the learning, the exploration, the fun of that, you will stay in ballet, you will eventually develop a great deal of skill. We've taken dancers, I don't talk about this much, but we've taken people from total adult beginners to dancing on point, not just dancing on point, but performing in the Nutcracker in like the snow scenes and flower scenes with pretty good mid-sized companies as adults. And that blows my mind. Now it took them about maybe 4 to 6 years of training to get there, but they get there so they can go into a corps de ballet with a fairly decent company and go through those core pieces on point, which is amazing. So it can be done if you're willing to do the work. If you enjoy the process, you do the work. You were amazing today. This is Autumn. And if she would like to leave, if you have any social media stuff, we'll add that in if you want to publicize that. If not, editor, cut this part out. I'm not going to put those in. But you were amazing today, and I really look forward to working with you more. Awesome dedication and focus. So I hope some of these parts out there helped you guys. Go to our website, sign up for the 30-day free virtual trial, or if you're in Southern California, we have classes all the way from North Hollywood to Orange County. We would love to work with you live. We have amazing instructors for you. So thank you. Thank you. Good job. All right. See you guys. Bye. That was awesome.